guys, welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I'm showing you the time lapse of a project I've been working on this month, and this is actually a very interesting animal, not one you see very often. I am drawing a Dik Dik with pastels on pastel mat. So the Dik Dik is a very small type of antelope. I think it's the smallest species of antelope, but I'm not sure. And yeah, today I'm drawing the Kirks Dik-Dik. That's one of the 4 different species of Dik Diks there are. So they do all live in Africa, in the eastern and southern area of Africa, and they are very cute. I found this this reference photo on Pixabay, so it's royalty free, and I immediately fell in love with it, so I really had to draw it. And I hope you like the process of this drawing. So this is just the quick time lapse. I will put some tutorials about certain areas of this drawing here on YouTube as well. But if you're interested in watching the complete process from start to finish, I have it available on Patreon in real time. That's 9 hours long. So if you're interested in watching that and drawing along with me, feel free to join me on Patreon. I use Stabilo pastel pencils in combination with some Faber-Castell bit pastel pencils and some Koh-i-Noor soft pastels. And I'm working on pastel mat that's a little bit bigger than A4, so it's about 9 by 12 inches, this one. And I'm working on the color brown. So I did use the Koh-i-Noor soft pastels for the background only. I used it for the very first layer, and then I did the rest with the pastel pencils. So I had to work very clean here, very tight, very neat, because I didn't want to smudge any of the colors. So I worked from left to right, and I had that sheet of plastic underneath my hand all the time. And by doing that, I could work very clean. I haven't smudged any of the colors, and I really like how it turned out. So the biggest challenge here in this drawing was to get the texture of the Dik Dik right. So they have a very particular type of fur texture. It's a bit spiky, a bit rough, and I could find a lot of different colors in there. So the challenge was to get all those different colors in there without making a mess, without making it look muddy or smudgy. So that was a really fun process. I learned a lot from it, and I hope you'll enjoy the tutorials as well. I will do one about the background, so how to make the blurry background, and I will do one about the eye as well. In total, this drawing took me about 10 hours to complete, and I sped it up real quick in this video, so if it's too fast, stay tuned for the longer tutorials here on my channel. And yeah, I hope you like this drawing. So let me know what you think of it. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments. If you want to support me in my work, in what I do, and watch my tutorials, feel free to support me over on Patreon. And then I'll see you in the next video, which is probably going to be about the background of this drawing. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon.